By the end of this video, you're gonna know 3 ways to make over $900 every single day just by uploading on YouTube Shorts. Best of all, you don't need 1,000 subscribers because how many subscribers you have on YouTube actually has nothing to do with how much money you make. Back when I had only 20,000 subscribers, I was making over $50,000 a month, and I know endless creators with less subscribers than that, less than 20,000, and they make even more money. But on the contrary, I know so many creators with 1 million subscribers, 100,000 subscribers that can barely make $5,000 a month just to pay their bills. And the reason being is because they're not doing the 3 things that I'm about to share with you in this video. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms and how to make money from them. And please go to the link in the pinned comment below and get my free YouTube growth course. It's going to share with you how to get more views on your videos, because if you're going to want to make money on YouTube, you're going to want to know how to get views, and ultimately you're going to want to know the best time to post and the best hashtags to use, which are both included within that free course. What are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Idea number 1 is that you need to take advantage of the fact that YouTube is now pushing YouTube Shorts within search results from a mobile device and from a desktop device, and you need to begin creating content about several searchable keywords that you could do one of 2 things with. Either 1, you can create your own product for these things, or 2, you could go ahead and sign an affiliate deal with somebody else, or even white label somebody else's services. And there are so many opportunities for this. There are opportunities within fitness, within fashion, within crypto, within finance, within real estate. Literally, the opportunities are endless. In fact, within real estate, I see so many people mess this up. They want to focus on just their own small little town. Don't do that. Instead, you should be going as big as humanly possible. The reason being is you'll be able to sign affiliate deals. If somebody's looking for a house in San Diego, you could find realtors within San Diego, and then maybe you could get some kind of commission on sending them those leads. This is a huge opportunity, and I do not want you guys to miss out on this. And like I shared with you earlier, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. You don't need 1,000 subscribers in order to rank for certain keywords, or quite frankly, any keyword on YouTube, which is why you need to make sure that you're taking advantages. So the easiest way for you to get started is literally come up with a list of keywords within your niche, and then you also need to come up with a list of products that either you can sell, you can create yourself, for example, offering a service, or brands that you could begin partnering with. Another great booming niche for this is AI tools. AI tools all have an insane affiliate structure where you can literally get paid 40 to 50%, and then you just begin creating content that honestly goes viral because the space is just so big, and this is a way that so many of you could be making so much money every single day. Idea number 2 is doing what people are doing on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and building an audience and then creating a newsletter around this. And newsletters are amazing for 3 reasons. 1, there are big brands out there that will pay a ton of money for newsletters. 2, you're literally building influence with an email newsletter. So what that actually means is if the YouTube algorithm changes, the Facebook algorithm changes, or any algorithm changes, it doesn't matter for you because you're able to talk to those people individually and you're able to talk to them without relying on a platform. And then the third huge opportunity here is either selling your own product within the newsletter, aka coming with a problem that your audience is trying to solve, or again, partnering with somebody, or you could even sign sponsorship deals. In fact, I think a newsletter is the easiest way for you to be able to get to 7 figures with a YouTube channel because you're going to be building up an audience, you're going to be getting their email, and then you can sell that out to other people. You could sell it for sponsorship deals. You could do an acquisition play like The Hustle did, and they literally got bought for tens of millions of dollars. There's so much opportunity here. And the only thing that you need to start, in fact, you don't need anything to start. You literally just need to start uploading YouTube Shorts, and then you need to have a landing page where you're getting people's emails. And this is literally one of the easiest businesses ever that you could operate. And the cost of acquiring a customer is going to be 0 if you're simply relying on uploading YouTube Shorts. On top of that, it guarantees that a lot of your shorts get a lot of views because you could begin to put your shorts within your email. So now with this 10,000 people on your email, you send out an email to tell people to go watch one of your shorts. Guess what ends up happening? A bunch of those people end up watching the video. You end up getting thousands of views. Hundreds of those people will share that with somebody else, and then you end up getting tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views because now YouTube knows, hey, these are the people that are interested in this video. Let's push it out to even more people like that. And ultimately what ends up happening is you get paid to build this big business. Now, if you've got absolutely no idea what kind of content you want to upload, all you know is that you want to make money from YouTube, then this last idea I'm about to share with you is amazing. But first, I need to warn you. This organic reach that we're currently seeing on YouTube and the opportunity to grow with YouTube Shorts, it's not going to last forever, and I don't think there's that much more time left, so please, make sure you're taking this seriously, make sure you're taking advantage of it, and you need to begin taking YouTube as seriously as humanly possible because there's a huge opportunity right here for you to change your life if you simply take advantage of this right now. And that third idea is that you need to begin creating an Eclipse page for other people. And I'm not saying that you need to pitch them on it beforehand. In fact, if somebody made an Eclipse page for my channel, I would buy it from them or I would pay them to continue creating that content. Essentially what you're gonna wanna do, you're going to wanna create a Eclipse channel, upload clips of other people. You guys see this with Joe Rogan. You guys see this with Jordan Peterson. You see this with all these famous people. And you can literally do this with whatever celebrity, whatever YouTuber, whatever Instagrammer, whatever TikToker that you like. And what you're going to wanna do is you're going to wanna take their video, chop it up, create shorts for it, begin uploading it on a channel, and this is going to lead to one of three things. Either first, they're going to wanna buy that channel from you so that they can have their own team do it. Second, they're going to wanna pay you to continue to create that content. And third, it's actually going to lead to an increase in subscribers to their own channel, and it's also going to lead to an increase in views in their own channel, because if you understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works, it's based off of watch history. So two things are gonna happen. One, you're gonna get views when they get more views. And two, they're gonna get more views when you get more views. So this is a win-win situation, and it's incredibly free. And best of all, you could do this with several different channels. You could literally do this with 10 different people, upload clips of all 10 different people's things. One of them is going to work, two of them is going to work, three of them is going to work. This was a huge opportunity with long form content, and now you have the same exact opportunity with short form content, and it's basically restarting. So I strongly suggest that you guys begin to implement this, because it's going to allow you to make more money. And all three of these ideas cost absolutely nothing to start. Now, if you want to get more subscribers on YouTube right now, please keep watching this video, because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers in a 30-day period is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers in the next 30 days, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.